Good morning everyone, and here I am with today's work in front of you. My dear children, today we are going to work with the worksheet English, worksheet for senior KG. Write the words which end with at, an, ad, and ag, ag. My dear children, at. So you can make a new word by writing C in front of AT and it becomes CAT, cat. Then another word you can write BAT, bat. Okay. Then HAT, hat. RAT, rat. And this way you can make so many rhyming words. Now A and same way we have to write the words ending with an. So here you can write CAN, can, MAN, man, RAN, ran, FAN, fan. And I know you all know these 3-letter words. These become the rhyming words also, and it's very enjoying to do this worksheet. Now ad, we can write BAD, bad, LAD, lad, SAD, sad. Then you can also write MAD, mad. Okay, we just have to make some rhyming words and the words ending with these 2 letters. Now AG, ag. So you can make a word BAG, bag, TAG, tag, SAG, sag, and RAG, rag. So this way you can make so many words with the help of these 2-letter words. You have to put one letter meaningful and make that word meaningful. Okay. Now the next is write a or an in front of the words. Now here you have to be very careful while writing a or an. Now this is a, and as I told you, a is a vowel. So whenever you come across a vowel, you must always remember you have to write there an in front of the word. So it becomes an ant. Now C is a consonant. So always remember you have to write a, only a, single a in front of the consonant. So it becomes a cat. Aeroplane. A is a vowel. So you have to write an, aeroplane. Now here we read the spelling of gun, G-U-N, gun. And so G is a consonant. Write A in front of G. The next is B, bus. B is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So you have to write A in front of B. So it becomes a bus. Fan. F is also a consonant, so you have to write A in front of F and it becomes FAN, fan. Now here is the spelling of apple. A is a vowel. Okay, so you have to write A and an in front of A. This is D. D, O-G, dog. D is a consonant. So always write A in front of the consonant. Now we come across the word orange, which begins with the letter O, and O is a vowel. So you have to write here A and an. This is the way you can make a worksheet at home with the help of your mummy. Ask her to take one paper, some few sketch pens and write this for you. Make a worksheet and enjoy doing this worksheet. And read all these words when you finish doing the worksheet. Read it aloud. AT, at, CAT, cat, BAT, bat, HAT, hat, RAT, rat. Like this you have to read all these words so that you will never forget them. And this will help you to remember the consonants and the vowels. So my dear children, please practice this worksheet at home, and in CW you have to write and learn the words ending with double S. as I have taught you in the online class today. So see you back tomorrow. Bye bye.